Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I was at Five Below over the weekend and I found this cute little Teeny Tinies ice cream set, and it reminded me earlier in the summer before I went on vacation, I had filmed a miniature beachy ice cream shop. This would have been so nice to have when I was building that, but let me show you the clips of me building it and then we'll come back here and open it. A while ago I had built a candy shop. I'm actually using the same room box. I just stripped everything out. I did leave the shelves. I took the floor out. The floor I put in is kind of similar, so I don't remember why I did that. I had this little book of scrapbook paper, and because we have that little alcove, I thought I would use this little wooden one to cover the little top of it. And I had initially used this wallpaper. I did not like it and I did rip it off. I am going to take these little containers I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint them white. And I believe it took 2 coats. These are going to be the containers for our ice cream. I ended up covering the back wall in a tan color. And then I had this scrapbook paper that's kind of mermaidy, beachy, and I took one sheet and covered the sidewall. I got these little organizers at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue 2 together to be the ice cream holder. I brought in the counter from the candy store back in here. Just hot glued them together. And then I'm going to take some of these containers and glue them down on bottom so the ice cream containers sit up higher. To make the ice cream, I'm going to use this air dry clay, and I'm just going to use paint to mix in there. On some of them I didn't mix it all the way so that you could still see kind of strips of the color to look like fruit or chocolate. Here it is all assembled. I did glue a white strip across the top just to have a little ledge to sit stuff on. I added some wall decorations and a little sign, and it was done. So let's open this ice cream. This is like a little sundae, 2 different kinds of sundaes, some cotton candy, a piece of chocolate cake, a cute little ice cream sandwich, a little snow cone, a regular ice cream cone. This little ice cream, there's 2 of them. They're cute, but the stick to hold them is really floppy. There's a little sundae, a cookie sandwich, and here's the container that the ice cream goes in, and they just kind of pop in place. I do think if you used this instead, you would need 2 of them, and I think quite a few of the accessories can be used with the dolls. I wanted to show you how tiny the ice cream scoop is that came with it. The other one came with a mini-verse, Make It Mini. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.